Hi everybody, it's Anne here from Positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I've come on today to share this craft storage box that I was very kindly sent from a company who are Creative Options. And as I said, they very kindly sent me this gorgeous craft storage box. Just trying to tip it so you can see without causing a really loud noise, and I'm just so grateful because it is beautiful. I've been on the website and I think I am going to go and order either the medium or the large, because this is a small rack system. They sent me the blue one. It also comes in pink and black, and then they do a medium and a large one, and it's fantastic, and it's just so sweet as well. So it starts off with the top, so you've got your Creative Options on there. That just flips up, and then there's also, as well as a carry handle, there is a big space in there which I'll put my little pots of glitter in, and there's a good 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, there's about 20 pots of glitter in there, and it holds them all, and you could probably even get a few more things in there. So that's the top, which just clips down again. You could even maybe put like some kind of sticker if you've got one of those Dymo machines like me, the labeler. I think that would be perfect to put a sticker to say what's actually in it. So what happens, I know it's quite hard for us to show you on this tiny little space, but you have this section here. Now these just flip up like that, really easy. This drops down, alright, and then inside you get 4 of these storage containers, and they're quite large as well, and you just pull them out, and as you can see I've already started filling mine up. It only came this morning and I've got one more left to fill. So let's have a look here. So for example, in this one I've put in like all my eyelets, washers and brads, so, and I could put a little label on the front there so when I open it I can see what's in. The little handles match the colour, so I'm just going to quickly flip this open, and then inside you've got all them little compartments. Absolutely love this. I am definitely getting either the large or the medium. So these, and again that's all got the Creative Options logo on. So this measures 9 inches by 4 3/4, and they are 1 1/4 inches deep. So as you can see I've got loads of room still in there to stack these up. And these also, they give you extra ones of these so you can change the compartments, like I'll show you what I mean. So for example in this one I didn't put any in there. I'll just open it and show you. So in there I needed quite a long one to get all these little bells and Christmas lights and things in, and then they give you loads of them, and you just snip that plastic bit off in the middle, and then you just slot them down in there. So this one's got all my little tassel caps and tassels, and obviously I've got room to get something in the middle. Just a brilliant idea. And then everything is all neat and tucked away, and then you know where everything is, because I had like a lot of these separate in different sizes and whatnot, like stuff like this, and they just you know, in different places, and then you go for something and, oh, that one's in there, that one's over there. At least this way everything is together and it's all kept, and it just looks gorgeous. It really does look so nice as well. And it just clips down, and as I said, you've got your little carry handle. And just to give you an idea of the measurements, because as I said, this is classed as the small one, so we're looking at 10 inches in height, 10 3/4 wide, and it is roughly nearly 6 inches deep. Okay, absolutely fantastic. I love it. So obviously I'm going to put the link to their website so you can go on and check it out. And then when I went on and had a look, this one I believe is $24.99, which I think is a really good price. And then obviously the medium one and the larger one, it'll be a little bit more. And then at the bottom there as well, it's even got like a kind of it's got like a tape measure type of thing in inches, which it goes from 1 to 8 inches along the bottom. Yeah, absolutely love this. So I was really excited about, you know, doing a review on this, because I really do like it. So I was over the moon when I asked. So as I said, I'm going to put the link to the website. Check them out because they're great, and they just look so nice as well. So yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.